Okay, so right now we took 3 Italian sausages and I unwrapped the casing and put this in the pot to simmer until you don't see pink anymore. I am cutting up some cheese. You use whatever you got, so if it's string cheese, use it. It doesn't matter, okay? And then I have some mozzarella cheese, my fresh bag of basil, and some zucchini. So it's going to be a zucchini, cheese, sausage, and basil mixture. I used about 2 cups of meat and about 1 1/4 cup of cheese, and I'm going to chop up a zucchini and cook that first and then put that in the food processor too. Here's the zucchini. Stir fry it. Salt, pepper, oregano, maybe a little bit of paprika.
I'm making stuffed raviolis. I got fresh pasta that I made. Very cool. I'm excited about it. You gotta roll it. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh manual. Oh no. Yeah. I don't have one at the moment, so I just use like bottles and stuff.
After being processed, this is what the mixture looks like.
It's beautiful.
Okay, you have your lump of dough and you are going to want to roll it around in a ball and then cut it down the middle. Use 1/2 now and let 1/2 rest in a bag and set it to the side until you're ready to use that second half. Alright, now we have our dough back out and I'm going to lay the slab down and then just roll it, start from the middle and continue to roll out. I don't have a rolling pin. I haven't had a rolling pin yet. I just use my bottles, okay? Whatever works for you, whatever works. So you just want to keep rolling it, start from the middle, roll out. You want to get these pieces pretty large so that you can put your filling, your little filling piles on top of it. This first bottom slab of dough looks great. It's evenly rolled out and it's looking pretty good.
Okay, this is all flattened and stretched out. So now we are going to take scoops of the mixture and try to make it, 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever. Then we will take this, flatten it just like this, and put it on top, and we'll go from there.
Here I am portioning out just small little sizes of the mixture. I said before that I was going to do like 5 in a row, but I'm only fitting about 4, which is fine. You just want to try to get as many little raviolis as you can out of a sheet. Now it's time to take that second layer and roll it out and put it on top of these mounds. And you need to press along the edges so that they stick tight. We want to try to get as much air out of these little pockets of meat as possible. Use a knife and cut the raviolis out of their flat form and mold them however you like. Saute some fresh garlic in butter, and then you can add some milk and a little bit of flour to get it thick. And then you'll add some cheese to make a cheese sauce. While we're letting this water boil, so we can put these bad boys in there. Depending how big these are, put about 3 to 4 in the boiling water and let them sit for 2 to 3 minutes. And then this cheese sauce is getting thicker. I put some Parmesan rinds in here with salt, pepper, flour, butter. Let that thicken. A little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of cooking sherry. Usually people would like toss the ravioli in with this, but I don't want to. I'd rather just pour it on top. It'll look prettier. These raviolis turned out so tasty, so delicious. This cheese sauce is wonderful. Because I put the rinds of the cheeses in there, you can still see they're kind of in the pan still. Uh, I'm just getting the main sauce. Uh, there's no grittiness in them, so that's the best part. I always sprinkle a little bit of fresh basil on pretty much everything Italian I make. It just adds that kick of extra flavor.
Total bullshit. You get it? Total bullshit. There was so much speculative reporting. Nobody had
Oh my god! It's so tasty. I can't keep it in.